Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava mobile guys Wi-Fi QR code share setting, how to share Wi-Fi QR code Lava mobile to any Android phone device. Friends, we want to share Lava mobile guys Wi-Fi QR code. So then how to share Wi-Fi QR code one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi friends, first you will have to connect any network. So friends, I have this network. I will select this network. After select network, I will connect this network in my Lava mobile. You want to copy password, so you can copy password. Click here connect. Wi-Fi network will connect. After connect, friends, right side click here friends share option. And which phone friends you want to connect use. So friends, I have Redmi mobile. So friends, I will connect Wi-Fi with QR code. So friends, on your device, friends, on your Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, refresh Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting, guys, you have connected device, so you can forget. After forget, guys, click here scanner, right side, and then scan QR code. And friends, you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code, and friends, you can share Wi-Fi network Lava mobile to any Android phone device, and we can use it. As you can see, we have shared Lava mobile Wi-Fi to Redmi mobile, and I can use guys this Wi-Fi in my Redmi mobile. So like that friends, we can share Wi-Fi network Lava mobile to any Android phone device. So I hope friends you understood how to share Wi-Fi network. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.